A florist charges a bride $4 for each of the R roses and $8 for each of the L lilies used in the floral arrangements for her wedding. The total bill for the floral arrangements was $1,200. A. Express this information as a linear equation. B. Graph this equation on the coordinate plane. C. Identify the intercepts, explain the significance of the R and L intercepts in this situation. And D. Use the graph to find the number of lilies in a floral arrangement with 150 roses. Okay, part A, we want to express the information in the problem as a linear equation. We know that R is the number of roses and L the number of lilies. So if $4 are charged per rose and $8 per lily, we have 4R plus 8L equals the total bill, which is $1,200. So our linear equation would be 4R plus 8L equals 1,200. Now let's take a look at the graph of this equation. Now we're going to graph this equation on the coordinate plane, and remember that our equation is 4R plus 8L equals 1,200. So we'll make an RL T-chart and plug in some values. Let's make R equal to 0, and if that's the case, we have 0 plus 8L equals 1,200, or L is equal to 150. Now, since each one of these hash marks is 20, our 150 is going to be about right here. Now, let's let L be 0. So we've got 4R plus 0 is 1,200, or R is equal to 300. Each one of the hash marks on the the horizontal axis, the R axis, is 25. So 300 is going to be about right here. So we'll take our straight edge now and we'll connect these 2 points. And we now have the graph of 4R plus 8L equals 1,200. Now for part C, we want to identify the intercepts and explain the significance of them in this situation. We found them in part B. The R-intercept is 300, 0. That's right there. And the L-intercept, which is the one on the vertical axis, is 0, 150. Now the R-intercept represents the number of roses used in the floral arrangement with no lilies, and the L-intercept represents the number of lilies used in the floral arrangement with no roses. Now for part D, we want to use the graph to find the number of lilies in a floral arrangement with 150 roses. So we find 150 on the R-axis, or the horizontal axis, and that's going to be right here. And we want to go up to the line and then across, and that's going to be about 75. So we've got 75 lilies in an arrangement with 150 roses.